If you need a welding machine for aluminum projects, check this model TIG 400Pi AC/DC. It features a built-in rack and a water cooling system, making it exceptionally well-suited for heavy-duty tasks. TIG 400Pi provides AC and DC TIG welding, as well as MMA welding. For your aluminum welding needs, it comes equipped with a pulse welding function, with a welding current range spanning from 10 amps to 400 amps, and various adjustable parameters to meet your specific requirements. This machine offers great flexibility. Now, let's delve into its welding performance. You'll find that it excels at aluminum welding, delivering a smooth process and producing beautiful results. We're also putting it to the test with stainless steel welding on materials of different thicknesses. And for MMA welding, it consistently demonstrates efficient slag removal, leaving you with impeccable results. Additionally, you can also add a remote control pedal to enhance this unit's functionality. Choose the TIG 400Pi AC/DC for your welding needs and experience the difference.